Open the door of the washing machine and loosen the screws from the hinges. The door can now be removed from the washing machine by lifting it up slightly. Remove all of the screws around the door so that the inner edge and outer edge of the door can be separated. For this you can use a screwdriver as shown in the video. The hinge is now loose and ready to be replaced. Reconnect the outer edge of the door and screw it down. You can now connect the door back onto the washing machine and tighten the screws. This is how to replace the hinge.